Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making strawberry ice cream without using the ice cream machine. Creamy and delicious. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much! First of all, we make the condensed milk. In a little pot, add 100 ml of whole milk. Turn on the heat, medium-low heat. Add 70 grams of icing sugar. Now we add 10 grams of unsalted butter. Stir and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, we let it simmer for about 5 minutes. If you don't want to make the condensed milk, you can use 100 grams of the ready one. Turn the heat off and let the condensed milk cool. Rinse the strawberry and take the stalk off. Now we blend the strawberry with an immersion blender or a normal blender. Now we pass through a fine sieve the strawberry puree. You can jump this step if you don't mind to have the strawberry seeds in your ice cream. Now we add the condensed milk to the strawberry puree. Add the natural yogurt. You can jump this step if you don't drink or you have children. Now we whip the cream. Add the cream in a container, add 40 grams of icing sugar and a pinch of salt. Now we add the strawberry puree to the whipped cream and we stir. Now we put our cream in a container with a lid and we put in the freezer for 6-8 hours.